how to add celebrities on Snapchat. It's a fun way to stay updated with your favorite stars and see their latest snaps. Let's jump right into it. First, make sure you have the Snapchat app installed and you're logged into your account. If you don't have yet, you can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Now that you're on the homepage, tap on the search icon at the top of the screen. It looks like a magnifying glass. In the search bar, type the name of the celebrity you want to add. Now, Snapchat will show you a list of users with the name. Find the verified account of the celebrity you're looking for. Verified accounts usually have a blue check mark next to the name or simply a star. As you can see, you have this star has 35.0 million followers. So this is a verified celebrity. Now tap on the name to open the profile. Here you'll see the snap code and username. You can also find like this. To add the celebrity, tap on the add friend button. Now this will send a friend request to their account, or you can simply follow them. Also, you need to know that sometimes celebrities may have their account set to private or may not accept all friend requests, so it's not guaranteed that you'll be added. But don't worry, there's still plenty of content from them if you can view if they're active on Snapchat. Also, keep in mind that some celebrities might use fan accounts or have their own unique snap codes. If you're not able to find them by searching their name, check their official social media profiles where they might share the Snapchat snap code. And that's all there is to it. Adding celebrities on Snapchat is pretty straightforward if you follow the steps.